not there yet.
I was gone.
We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
Are
we there yet?
We're gonna get a little bit of a view from this guy.
We don't know yet. We found a local resident!
They're telling us how the fireworks display were here. You could see them all around the city and back here. I'll get good at this.
Some pure Americana.
After a quick stop, after 2 hours driving and 26 ounces of coffee, it's time to go there.
Do you think looks are important?
Tour guide Zach here is telling us how the James Whitcomb Rally House is just over that way.
Yep. Old
The more you know.
Streets. This is the Athenaeum, a super old German, used to be like an athletic.
Looks are important. No, I don't think so. What about money?
Ooh. I've got it. So we're gonna look and see where my first thing is that I'm going to. Event that's using props in the GM Mastery series.
Rooms 120 to 128.
Okay. We're getting there. Funny me, I'm trying to figure out where I need to go, and they made an app for that.
He's got like 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay, objective 3. I'm keeping track of this. Objective 3. We went to, we got here. We got the badge. And I found where I'm going first. And now we're gonna go look at stuff.
Come with us if you want to live.
I mean, that should be a thing already anyway.
Instant communication.
Ask the best question, who's going to walk away with this absolutely fabulous bunny duck. All right, so thank you all for attending. I know you could have ridden American Airlines rather than be here today, so.
There we go. Just finished one of them with Rich stats on using props. So we'll see what we can bring to the game table. Now, to get some water. Ah!
Yes! We got maps.
I found you.
We got maps.
Maps. We got. There be treasure here. Almost magic time. You excited?
I just get my cards?
Oh. Oh, goodness. It's morning. Let's see what we can do today. Well, it's time to move out, but it's just the two of us here today. So, here we go.
Glad I'm here with Thomas. He was able to spot where we're supposed to go. That's what somebody who knows what they're doing does. They just nod. We're still looking all right. I feel like we're going the wrong way since everybody is like going that way and we're going this way.
Ah. Skywalker.
Yes. Okay, we need to go down. Trade day, it says.
Yep.
Oh, that must be it, yeah. I thought this was ballroom 1, but it must be I instead.
Yeah.
Thank
Down, where that sign
the
is?
sign. Awesome, thank you. Okay. Hello.
Alright, which session?
Yes. The escape room. Oh, first one of trade day is done. Coffee?
Yes.
So we have 4 hours with which to eat and hydrate and consume stuff.
Yes.
And have fun. So let's find something to do. Hang on. What's this up here? I'm finding myself strangely drawn to these.
Yes.
after exploring some and getting something, it's time for food. All right. Pizza. So we've got steak, we've got pizza, we've got cupcakes, we've got ice cream. Sounds perfect. Yeah, ice cream, that sounds like a great breakfast and lunch. Vlog myself eating food. I don't think so. What time is it? 12:22. So we're here for another 4 hours-ish. So, come over here. So, you wake up in a tavern, you go out for the day, and you're traveling for about an hour. When you come across a band of not a band of orcs. You come across a band of roller derby girls. What do you do? One of the things that's pretty cool is that people are like learning to play new games here, or games they haven't played. There is a section for just like brand new games, but like over here, I mean, just people sitting down playing board games. It's pretty cool. I seem to be amassing some more things now.
You need a bag.
I do need a bag. I tell you what, it makes a difference to have a bag with you. It helps. Is it bag of holding? See, you got a bag of holding. That can carry like 500 pounds. You're fine. So bring comfortable shoes and have a bag, and don't forget your towel. Alright, now we're going to our last event, I think, of the day.
Footprint is, we did make sure all the new stuff stayed with them, but just with the everything, it didn't seem to...
How was that?
It was not bad.
Yeah. Okay, that's Gen Con for this year for us. I think I would come again, even if it's not for the library and learning and all that. Would you?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, be prepared. Stay hydrated.
Just imagine how, we feel, but like how exhibitors and such feel.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, plan it out. Come down. All that kind of stuff.
Exactly.